It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 7th of September. I'm James Spann. We'll maintain the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms over the southern two-thirds of the state today and tomorrow. And then a really nice push of dry air settles in here by Thursday and Friday. Let's start with the upper air look across the country today, as we often do. We have ridging developing back in the western states. Got a trough that's over the northeast. And down here, the flow aloft is fairly light. There's a stalled surface boundary near Interstate 59. That's where the better chance of showers will be today, south of that front. That was the radar this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. Not much happening at that point, but later today we'll see scattered showers and storms forming. Chance of any one spot getting wet south of the front, about 30 to 40%. Now, north of that boundary, it feels good this morning. We have low 60s for Cullman and Aniana, but south of that front, mostly low 70s. Highs today should be in the mid-80s, which is a little below average for this time of the year. There's the watch warning map, pretty quiet across the nation to start this day. Got a chance of severe storms later today and tonight around parts of the Great Lakes, down through the Great Plains. Tomorrow, a marginal risk on the upper part of the Atlantic coast. And day 3, which is Thursday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The western half of the country stays relatively dry. In Alabama, nothing north of Interstate 59. But again, south of that boundary, we'll see scattered showers and storms today and tomorrow. Rain amounts under 1/2 inch. Heavier totals near the Gulf Coast. That's with a little tropical feature that could bring enhanced coverage of showers tomorrow and Thursday. But even down there, they'll be dry by the end of the week and the weekend. And in the tropics, of course, the headline is Larry. Out there in the central Atlantic, still a major hurricane, top winds 120 miles an hour. That's the visible satellite view early this morning. Very impressive system. Of course, this will thankfully be recurving well east of the United States, east of Bermuda. Could be clipping the Canadian Maritimes Friday night as a post-tropical system on the way out. And of course, this little feature in the Gulf is the one we're watching, not expected to develop over the next 5 days, really. A 30% chance of that from the hurricane center. And again, that could bring increased shower coverage to the Panhandle in North Florida tomorrow and Thursday, and then it moves out into the Atlantic. And if it gets its act together, that's most likely when that happens, as it moves away from the United States. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Getting big upper high out west, troughing over the Great Lakes. And for us, again, a mix of sun and clouds, scattered showers and storms, highs mid-80s. The better chance of those showers along and south of Interstate 59. Same thing tomorrow. If you're in Huntsville, the Shoals, you'll probably be dry. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Gadsden south, the chance of scattered showers and storms, highs mid-80s with some sun. And then Thursday, here comes the dry air. Dew points coming way down. Highs in the middle 80s, going to feel good. And then Friday, we're going to start the day in the 50s in most spots over North Alabama. A very refreshing morning. The high Friday, mid-80s, low humidity, nothing but sunshine. Great night for high school football. Saturday, a great day for college football across the state. The sky will be sunny, highs mid to upper 80s. And Sunday, we're still dry. Upper 80s, lots of sunshine. Monday of next week, still looking dry. And a week from today, this is Tuesday the 14th, troughing well to the north, and evidence moisture begins to come back, so we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers beginning Tuesday of next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday the 16th. The mid-latitude westerlies a tad to the north, and once again, enough moisture for scattered showers and storms. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 1 and 1.5 inches between now and the 22nd of September. Highs for the next 10 days, mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s. But again, Friday morning, I fully expect many places to be in the 50s. And the CPC outlook, this is for September 14th through the 20th. Temperatures would be above average if this works out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.